Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing wills in Thailand and just some kind of general discussion about things to think about when drafting one's will to sort of make things easier on possible beneficiaries or heirs. This is especially the case involving foreign nationals here in Thailand who may have family that have never even been to Thailand, or if they've been maybe one time, they don't necessarily live here. And a couple of things to think about. Sometimes it's not necessarily a terrible idea to have a local person named, and that could be your lawyer, that could be someone with whom you trust, someone whom you trust here locally act as executor, notwithstanding the fact that the beneficiary may be somebody different. Now, again, all of this is very fact specific. It's going to be dependent on your circumstances. So understand everybody's case is going to be different. This is not a one size fits all kind of video. So it's more just things to think about. The other thing is with respect to any what's called non-probate transfers, which may be possible. So like payable on death beneficiaries. If you can set up anything either in Thailand or other assets abroad that can be set up to be payable on death, that could have a substantially beneficial impact on any future heirs insofar as they may not necessarily have to deal with protracted legal proceedings in order to gain access or ownership of the property in question. That said, with respect to real estate and things, there are a number of things that can be done within a will. Again, differentials with respect to naming of executors or types of instructions left in a will, and also documentation associated with the drafting of the will. For example, identity documentation and things to go ahead and speed up the process of dealing with the resolution of the estate in the courts here in Thailand. All of that can have, by sort of front loading all of that, you'll have a more positive impact as the case is processed down the road. So these are just some things to think about when you're going ahead and looking at the possibility of drafting a will, especially for foreign beneficiaries here in the Kingdom of Thailand.